Now, our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. This one is for all those people out there that are using Tailwind that don't like how Tailwind looks. So, a lot of people have been, talking about Tailwind. Tailwind's doing, great. It's getting a lot of popularity. It's one of the bigger, better utility-based ones, and Tailwind UI is awesome. So, a lot of people like it, but a lot of people don't like certain things about it. And one of it is when people add 300 classes to their divs or whatever, they can never find the one they want. It's kind of a pain. And, I know some people say, hey, just use an apply and you can group them together, but that kind of defeats the purpose of Tailwind. So somebody made this Tailwind Fold VSCode extension. And so
it just makes all of that noise just magically disappear.
Well, folds them into new lines at least, right? But it folds them. So yeah, it basically helps you fold them. And so let me share the link here. Oh, I guess I'll preview it too for those who are watching at home. But yeah, so basically it just helps you fold. So all your classes fold, and so in your div, essentially, they all just disappear. So when you want them, they're there, but when you don't want them, you don't see them. And so I thought that was pretty dang cool. So yeah, I know a lot of people, it's just a lot of noise, and this can kind of give you ways around it. And you can customize it too, which is pretty neat. And there's a bunch of settings in it too. But just so you know, it folds all class attributes, even when there's no Tailwind attributes specified. So it's more of a fold your classes. But yeah, it's just one of those things that just sort of cleans up your code, and it does look really slick. I might use this even without Tailwind, to be honest, because I do like that option. Although I'm thinking maybe it should say class equals and then have ... or something, so at least you can see what it is. But I'm like, for a lot of things, this might make life easier. Just be able to fold some bigger pieces up.
Yeah, because it does get hard to read when you're using so many of those utility classes.
Yeah.
And you just kind of get lost.
Yeah, I mean, I might use this in some of the Bootstrap sites or even the Quasar sites that have utility stuff too. Because utilities are great, as long as you don't go crazy with them, I think. And some people do that,
Yeah.
Pull out a component, that way it's at least contained. So that way it makes it a little bit more readable. So, but yeah, so I thought that was a pretty cool one. So if you guys got any that you think we should cover and we haven't covered yet, please let us know. Like there's a bunch of cool things out there that people are using. We've covered a lot of them, but if it's been a while or there's been updates to it, we're happy to cover those again. So there is your VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. And remember, VS Code Day tomorrow. Don't forget that. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order